Alright, so things are starting to come together. I would like to, the materials are looking nice, particle effects are looking alright, the physics are working. So one thing I'd like to do though is that I would like to make the background, the flowing water background, a little bit more dramatic. So let's take a look at that. I'm gonna go back to the beginning frame, select this. I'm gonna go to my shading window and see if I can find, there we are. So sometime back, I did a video on how to apply material to an item and have the properties of the material change over time in an animation. I will link that below in the description. For the moment, know that when you see these yellow highlights in your nodes and your shading, that's an indication that that's something that's going on. So I'm going to keep this fairly simple. I think that all that I want to do is that on the bump node, I think I just want to adjust the strength and take that up. Looks more dramatic already. And then I don't think I'm going to worry about distance. Let's take the scale up quite a bit. So that's too much. So let's try scaling it back a little bit. Maybe something like that. The idea being that it sort of hopefully simulates water sort of flowing down over rock walls without necessarily being quite like waves, wind going across the water creating waves. And I think I'll just leave it at this. Let's take a look and see what it looks like if we push play. Yeah, I think something like that might be reasonable. Now, I might adjust the speeds a little bit. I think moving forward, that's going to be the next thing. Is a lot of this has just been done within a 100 frame or so window. I think going forward, what I probably do is adjust the length of the frames and consider how this finished scene might actually look. And then at the same time start getting into maybe some lighting and some cameras.